viewers, and a warm welcome. You're watching the Underground Show on Better Future Production. I'm your host, Fatmata Jallo. With me today, I have Flash Sandy with me, the boy from SOS School of Swag, my former school. You know how we do it. Shout outs to everybody from SOS right now. Your boy repping Flash. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
How do you feel being here today?
I feel good. I feel good. Like this place is nice, surrounding. Everything is good, you know. I feel blessed.
Tell us a little bit about yourself, your full names, where you're from, and all that.
What's up, Gambia? You already know this your boy Flash Sandy. My real name is Joseph Sandy. I was born in Freetown, Sierra Leone. I was doing my grade 10, 11, so I later relocated to the Gambia. I started doing the music thing and everything. I like music and basketball, everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you feel like being in the Gambia? How's the environment, the people around you?
Yeah, I feel good. Gambian people are nice. They all treating me well. And I'm grateful. You know, as a foreigner, it's not easy to make it out here.
Sure.
I thank God, you know.
What inspired you into music?
I was inspired by many things. Like, firstly, I was inspired by my brother, Jay Clef. He's in Freetown. Shout out. Because we started doing this mining stuff. So one day I stood up to my friends. I tell them, we have to start doing our music. So we downloaded an instrumental, and that's how we do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did you start music officially?
2017. I started in 2017, but I was just playing around.
Okay.
But by the time I came to Gambia, 2018, that's the time I still like take it serious.
Okay. What was the first song you released?
I'm gonna say all the baby them bets. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Then give me a little on that. All the baby them.
I don't really recall the lyrics, but
Okay.
like all the baby them bets, you partying bet. It's bet is like a local language in Freetown.
Okay.
Where like if you a guy like you're dripping and all this guy will be like wow, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Who has impacted more in your music career since you started?
I must say my friend Pluto.
Okay.
Shout out to him because he keep on motivating me all the time, and some of my uncles, like my friends, they all motivate me, and my mom. Big shout out to my mom.
Okay.
Because you know she helped me too the most.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your parents didn't find it like they didn't have any problem with you getting into music or anything?
Yes, they do. My mom, like the time I started music, she wasn't like actually cool with it, because every time I go out to perform on shows, people will be saying, I see your son, and she'll be like, I don't want you, I want you to sit in an office. And I told her, Mom, this is a talent.
Okay.
You can't just stop me. But she finally agreed, so I'm grateful.
Okay. We'll just allow you to do a little freestyle for the viewers out there to know who Flash Sandy is and what type of music you do. So you can
Alright, listen. Hey, it's on the list. Go run it up. Hey, switching on my lane, yeah, you gotta pay the price. I'm with the gang, we all lit. I saw drip hard, I keep it real. Hey, shot the text like she wanna come for a weekend. Man, a bad man, me need a bad girl. Hey, yeah, we coming with the bangers. Yeah, put on my walk and grind, put on my bitch in line. But hold up, let me tell you what you gotta do. Man, play it twice, never stop. Where you from or where you at? I be chilling with the man them. Yeah, we in the studio making music every day and night. Come on, and I come up with an EP. Click my link, share the vibe. Hey, I'm the school king.
I can see that, you know, that's swag, you know.
Smoke thing.
Okay, is this why they call you the ladies' man? Because you know, anywhere you go, you know, the girls will be around you, flash, and all that. You got the swag, you know. You be doing this.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure. So what do you say? What do you say to that?
Well, I'm not say I'm the ladies' girl. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a loyal kid, just trying to focus on music. But you know, if the girls like, you know what I'm saying, therefore I keep it low.
You keep it low.
Yeah, on the low.
You. Okay, I will just stop right there. We'll go for a short commercial break, and when we're back, the interview continues. Stay tuned.
All right.
Hello and welcome to you viewers. I am your presenter Alaji Kedram.
representing the interests of Gambia because the
Okay, viewers, welcome back after that short commercial break. We are here with Flash Sandy. Flash, welcome back after the break.
Thank you very much.
Okay, what do you do apart from music?
Well, at the moment, I'm waiting for this IT course to start up, so I'm gonna start doing my course so I can learn how to produce and make beat on my own at the moment for now.
That's important because if you're into music, at least you have to know how to do one or two things, maybe play instrumental or know how to produce and all that to minimize payments and all that in the future. Yeah, that's very important, and I wish you all the best on that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. How does it feel being an underground artist? You're away from home, from Sierra Leone, you're in the Gambia. How do you manage? How do you cope? Like you said, you're about to start an IT program, but you have not started yet. So how do you manage to pay for your bills, like for recordings and your visuals?
It's not really easy out here because mostly I enroll myself in this various competition like Gambia's Got Talent, Rising Star, because I know if I go through there and luckily I win, I can manage to help myself out in my career. But sometimes my mom, she used to help me out, and also my friends, my uncles, I used to talk to them and they help me out. But it's not really easy, as in I'm in a project right now. I'm not done with it yet, you know. So I'm finding it difficult right now, but you know, inshallah, everything will be cool.
Okay, what projects are you working on? Are you working on releasing an EP or an album or single?
I'm working on an EP, Levels EP, and everybody keep on saying, bro, when you dropping that EP. So I want to say I'm gonna drop this EP this month, but I haven't find the date yet. But soon I'm gonna let them know.
Okay, how did the coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic affect you as an artist? Because we all know on the 8th, there's going to be a stop to public gatherings and all that, and you were saying you're working on an EP, and you're going to try to do it maybe this month also. So how is that affecting you, and how is it going to affect your EP?
Well, this corona thing, you know, I'm going to say where I need to pray so this sickness can go, because like, currently, like the time I was in school and the time I was in grade 12 doing this music and going to school, like the lock school, and it's not good for some people out there, you know, doing this face masks and all that, but it's good, like, to protect yourself. So there is no shows, and how can we go to studios, social gatherings? So all the studios keep on closing and stuff like that. It's not easy, really. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
So the EP, I'm going to drop it online. But for now, I'm not going to kick up with any show because we have to obey the law of the government.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you find it difficult to get to big artists, like for collaborations and all that?
Yeah, I'm going to say, yes, it's difficult. Like, mostly like Gambian artists. Like, I'm going to have the opportunity to meet them and say hi to them. But like, I'm sometimes scared, you know, to meet them because they are bigger, and me, I'm coming up, and as in I don't have any management that can stand behind me like, let's go, we can do it, we can do it. It's not easy, but I met Hussein Dada, me and Pluto, and he gave me some advices, and it was good, I took it. So, as in, but by the time I blow up, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to work on that.
Okay. Which Gambian artist do you want to do a collaboration with?
Yeah, I want to say Hussein Dada, because he's my mentor.
Is it because he's nice to you and all that, or is it because he is the one you want to do it with?
No, like, he's nice, yeah, and I like the vibe he's saying. He's doing this new school and old school vibe, like, he's everywhere, bro. Like, I like him so much. Like, shout out to Hussein Dada. Like, if I have the chance to do a song with him, I'll be grateful, because, you know, I'll be grateful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which other artists would you like to have a collaboration with apart from Hussein?
Attack, you know, he's young, potential, like everybody likes him, his songs hit. So I would like to do a song with him too, if that possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you see Gambian music industry now since you came in the Gambia?
Gambian music industry is really improving.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like all the artists, they have love and union for everybody. Like they support everybody out here, and this is what we lack of, like in Sierra Leone sometimes. But like they work on it, and here in Gambia we have an artist union. Yeah, we have an artist union where all the foreigner artists, like Sierra Leone artists, they all come together, put on some shows, and grinding stuff like that, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your relationship with your fellow Sierra Leonean artists and all that? Like you said, they have a union here.
Yes,
and
yes.
sometimes they organize these shows for
Exactly.
you guys.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
do you have good relationships with them?
Yes, I do. Like on the EP, Levels EP, I recorded a song with the top Gambia, Sierra Leone artists here, like Money the Prince, shout out, I record, now you get some in our language. And also Caleb, I guess he's Sierra Leone best in the Gambia, Caleb. And shout out to More Life Promo, he's a promoter, he keep on promoting our stuff till we reach there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a fan base in the Gambia or back in Sierra Leone?
Back in Sierra Leone, like I have a fan base and they're all waiting for this EP and they're all waiting to see me. But like in Gambia, yeah, I have the platform fan base.
Okay.
Yes, I have it.
I hope they're helping you out in
Yeah,
doing your things here.
exactly.
Okay, can you give us a little freestyle before
Okay.
we just close for this episode?
Okay, I'm gonna do a freestyle in my local language.
Okay.
So for my people out there, like,
Okay.
listen, okay baby, get style, but not to slay queen. And if you come through, I'm more sliding. Touchdown, do a small, not to lock down. One for cuts, but I ain't big cake. Man, I drip it energy, pick the game up. I be flexing, yeah, I ball it with the real ones. We on the levels and level, we keeping balling. You ready? You niggas act as funny, me and money grinding every day. Hey, look,
Yo! That was dope, that was dope.
yeah, this
Yeah.
is the lyrics. I don't cram it that much, but soon, yeah.
Yeah,
You
sure.
already know it's your boy Flash. Watch out.
The latest
Levels
guy,
EP.
the latest guy, he's the
Stop
latest guy.
saying that.
You know, the
gonna get
SS
me-
girls be
you're
like,
gonna get me
yay,
in
Flash!
trouble.
When you're on stage, everybody will be like, yay! You know, all the girls will be hyped and all that.
I
So,
know that.
yeah, but it's nice. It's a
Yeah,
nice
exactly.
feeling.
It's
Yeah,
nice.
sure. So what do you have to tell your fans and everyone watching you out here?
I'm gonna tell my fans for them to keep waiting. The EP is coming, and you know the EP. I got different producers on the EP. I got Pluto Tunes, I got Elegant Music, I got Double T, and you'll just wait out for the EP. That's what I'm gonna say. Sierra Leone, Gambia, watch out.
That's
Flash
what's
Sandy.
up.
Yeah.
One love, one love. This is all we had for you viewers on this episode of The Underground Show. Till we come your way next, please subscribe to our YouTube channels, Better Future Production, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.